Okay, so we already learned about print statement, input statement, and various variables.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start about control statement. Now, what is control statement? So that
It con. Okay.
controls the flow of a program,
Hmm.
and one of them is if
If
if statement. So when you write if statement, we need to write a condition here, condition or criteria.
if that happens or else that happens.
Yes. So if the condition is true, then do this thing. If the condition is false, then you need to do something else.
The other thing.
Yeah. So for that now, if I want to write a program, a simple program, for example, whenever you log into any website, you use
Hmm.
username and password. So when
Hmm.
your password matches, then you can log into that website. Now
Hmm.
here the simple if else is used. When you input a password and if your password matches, then access granted or access denied. So to do this in Python, the code is like this. First, you should write the print statement. First, the program will show something like this. Security system.
Welcome to security system.
Okay, or you can write your own company name. That is a company name. Okay.
Okay.
So now the next statement will be we need to input password. Password variable we can write here. Password
Pass.
is equal to input function and the input function.
Sir,
Yes.
when you just wrote pass, it was like the green color.
Yes, because pass is a keyword in Python. So those
Okay.
keywords are reserved, like in C, for, if, these are the keywords.
Hmm.
Pass is a keyword in Python. So that was like this. So when I write the password, then it went away. I'll tell you
Okay.
what it is used for. So here password is equal to, then the message should be enter your password. First it will you will write username and then password. We are writing password now. So here
Okay.
when user enters the password, that will be stored into this variable. Now say
Pass.
password is a secret, any password. So our password is a secret. So
Hmm.
if I write if, see if it is a keyword, then it becomes green in this way.
Yeah.
Okay, if, now in other languages we write this in the bracket, some condition,
Hmm.
but in Python you did not to use any bracket. You just directly write condition. If password
Okay.
password is equal to,
Equal.
now here we need to use double equal, because we need
Uh,
to check some value
okay.
in the password. So here double equal to,
Oh.
and in the double quotes, if the password is secret, whatever the password given by the user, say that password was secret.
Hmm.
So if the password is secret, then in other languages what we do, we write this brackets, okay, colon, to make a block.
Hmm.
So here in the Python, these brackets are not used. Here we can use colon.
Hmm.
So if password is equal to secret colon, after that press enter key. Now this enter key will be right here. You should start writing code here only, because in Python it is called indentation. When you write if, for, and when you want to create a new block, the new sentence should be indented by space like this. Otherwise, see, if we use C++, then we write like this. First we write in the bracket condition, then the block starts here, the if block starts here, and whatever the commands we can write directly inside this if block. So what we write here, if the password matches the secret, then print
Correct password
correct password or access
granted.
granted. And otherwise, if it's not, then we can write else part.
Else.
Then again block, else block starts,
Hmm.
and then we need to print one more time, access denied. Oh, I print it, copy and paste.
Sir.
Just a second.
Oh yeah, nothing. There was just another bracket. That's what I was gonna
Yeah,
say.
I removed it now.
Hmm.
Okay, now here you can see password. If password is equal to secret, then print. So if I run this, the Python will give you error, because in Python there are no brackets for if, like this one thing. There are no curly braces for creating a block. So the same program I will write now. I think it is good. Copied again. Okay, I'll just copy this.
Yeah.
Copy and the new, into the new cell I'll write it here. See what are the changes in Python now. First thing, remove this
Brackets.
brackets. Again, you need not to write this curly braces.
Like this.
So
Okay.
then how to tell Python that it is a block, a control block of statement? To tell that, you need to write this colon first. So here,
Colon.
if block starts, press the enter key. Now your cursor will be right here. You should not take it down here. It's
Okay.
called indentation. In Python, indentation is used to create blocks.
Is it necessary? Like
It is necessary, very
Okay.
necessary. Otherwise, it will not work. So after if this if statement is here, then the
Yeah.
next statement will always will be right here. There will be
Okay.
space, or you can press tab key to make a space right here. Then after that, else statement. If you want to write else statement, the else statement should go right here under the if. Remove this block, and this is the else. The if and else should be on the same line or same column.
Like the same. In like
Same
horizontal in
position,
the
you can
same.
say.
Yeah.
Same position. And
Position.
then here also, after else also, you need to put colon here. Other languages we don't put it, but in the Python you need to put this. When you are writing if, put colon. After that, next line should be some space. Then write else part. After the else also, when you press enter key, you will find the cursor is directly here. When you are in Jupyter, it will automatically take like this. If you use any other IDE, then it will keep this line right here. Then you need to put tab key. If you are putting like this, you need to put tab key to make a space.
Okay.
That's it. Now this will work. So when you are writing if statement, we need to take this into consideration. So now here it is. Welcome to security system. Enter your password. So if I write something else, something is password, press enter key. See, it is showing access granted. Why? Am I using the same? Okay,
So,
because in the print function I should write here denied. 2 times I have written same thing, so you got it.
yeah.
So run this. Now if I write here some, so you can see this access denied. And if I write actual password, which is secret, run secret. Now it shows access granted.
Granted.
So this is one way. So if you want to create one more program, For example, if you want to calculate square and cube, depending upon condition. So for that, how can we write? First, we need a number variable. Number is equal to int. We need to convert it into integer. So into the integer function, I am writing this input function. Input, enter any number. You get a number right here. After that, if the number is greater than 100, then you can square it. If the number is less than 100, then you can cube it. So I'm writing it using comment. If user enters number greater than 100, then calculate square. Calculate square of that number, or calculate cube. This is the comment. So now when I want to write if statement, here I'll go with if number is greater than 100. This is our condition. If number is greater than 100, colon, then press enter key. Then it will automatically indent here. The space is kept, and here you can write. Then print slash n square of number, comma, is, comma. Now when you want to calculate square, you just need to multiply it 2 times. Number multiplied by number, or you can directly calculate it in this way. So this is the first part. Then else part, go right here below the if else colon, then you need to print a cube of it. So I'm just copying and pasting it right here. Of square, we can create a cube of number is number multiplied by number multiplied by number. 3 times if you multiply, you will get it in this way. So when I run this program now, enter any number. So I'm entering a number 55. So what you will get, square or
cube?
Yeah, you will get cube. And
Cube of
when I run it
55
again,
is? Oh, okay.
123,
We'll get
I get a
square.
square. So this is a way to write if and else. Let me write this program one more time. Same program I'm going to write here. See, same, but I'm going to change this thing. So here I have written number multiplied by number. So if you want to, this is actually a power of a number. Number raised to 2, number raised to 3. So if you want to write like this, you do this in this way. There is one more way. Number star star, you need to write one more star and then write 2. This means square of that. Now if you want to calculate cube, instead of this number into number, you can write 2 stars here. So this is a double star operator is power of operator. It calculates the power. Now number raised to 3. So this will also work same. See, if I number 456, it will calculate the square. Again, if I use run and number is 10, it will calculate cube. So I wanted to show you this operator is power of operator. When you write star 2 times, it will calculate power of that number.
Hmm.
Okay, so now to write if function or if statement, um, check the change. First, write if, write condition without brackets, then colon. After that, to on the next line, put some space. In the Jupyter or Colab, it will automatically take some space. If it
Hmm.
doesn't, then you need to put some space here. That is called indentation.
Tab. Yeah.
Yeah, the indentation is very important in Python. Whatever
Python.
you are writing, so if the next line I want to write here, it should be directly here, not here.
Hmm.
So when you
In
write,
if and else.
yes, if and else only. So when
Okay.
if you want to stop the if, then you should write it right here. Then the if block will stop. Otherwise, if you keep writing the sentence
So
right here, expression, those expression will be for the if block only.
so the if block won't work.
Yes, if you write the statement, see, if I write this statement here, print
Hmm.
statement, okay, and when I run this, it will show you error, indentation error, expected an indented block. So I'll write here. Now one more time, if I write something here, this will work. Number is equal to number plus 100. So I'm just adding 100 to that number. That's it. So
Hmm.
if I run this, that will work. But
Uh-huh.
if this statement is right here,
It
it's
won't
not
work.
indented, then again it will show you the else part is invalid. Actually, this line is wrong. It is showing the else part is wrong. Generally, when the
So
interpreter shows you, when the interpreter is showing you that this line is wrong, check the upper line because that is the problem. So if I put it to the actual indent, then it will work. So here you can work it. So we can use if and else many times as we like. Okay, understood this part?
yes.
Okay, so would you like to try?
Okay.
Okay, just find out whether the number is even or odd.
Okay.
Okay, share your screen.
I'll try. 1 minute.
Okay,
Hello.
yes, click on this new Python 3.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, so you should take one number from user and find out whether that number is odd or even.
Order even. Okay. So first, should I write a comment first,
Yeah,
or
if you
if
write
I?
it is better.
Okay.
Write comment hash.
Comment
So
hash
find out
if
odd or even. No, don't write that if, just write find odd or even.
find odd or even.
Hmm.
Okay. So now if I just
First you need
if
to take, no, first you need to take number from user,
okay,
a number variable.
user equals
Mhm.
what number should I write? Any number?
No, first write, instead of user, write number there. Number, because we are taking number from the user.
Okay.
On next line,
Number.
on next line.
Oh,
Number
number
is equal to,
two. Should I just write 1, 2, 3 something?
no, input function. Use input function.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Input brackets. In that I should write number, right?
In the double quotes, write enter any number.
Okay. Oh.
This is the message
Enter
for user. Enter any number.
any any number.
Okay. Now run this single statement. Check what happens.
Okay.
So it will
Enter
ask
any
you a
number.
number. User sees
Um,
that information, enter any number. Now enter any number there. Number 10. Say
45 is okay.
okay. Press enter key.
Okay.
So
So
now
it
that
just
number
shows
will be stored in the number only, in that number
num
variable. Okay.
number variable. Okay.
Now to the next line, you need to check whether that number is odd or even.
So if
Mhm.
curly brackets and then I should write number equals
There is no
even.
curly bracket here.
Oh yeah, no
You can
brackets.
directly write.
Um,
Put
if
one space.
number equals, yeah, I put
Okay,
number
right.
equals even, say even like that.
No. How do you find that number is even or odd? How can you find it? For example, if the number is
Um,
10, it is even or odd.
your voice is cracking.
Okay. If the number is 10, can you hear me?
I can't hear you.
Okay, just a second.
No,
Okay.
sir, I can't hear you.
Now, can you hear me?
No.
Okay, let me check my network.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay. So, if the number is 10, is it odd
Yeah,
or even?
even
Why it is even? Number 10 is why even?
because it's 1, 2, then like that. So, I don't know.
No. What is the logic behind? When you divide any number by 2,
Yeah. Hmm.
and if you get remainder 0, then it is even number.
Even
So if you divide 10 by 2, you get a division as a 5 and there is a no
5.
remainder.
Remember.
Okay.
Remainder.
So if you divide 9 by 2,
Hmm.
so you get division as 1.
4.5. 1. Oh.
Sorry, division is 4.
Yeah.
2 fours are, and you get 1 as a remainder.
Hmm.
So if you divide any number with 2 and
Hmm.
if you get remainder
0.
0, then it is even number.
Even. Yeah.
Now you need to write that statement here. If number,
If number
hmm,
equals.
not equals, it should be divided by, right?
Yeah. So divided
By 2. So if you divide
by
any number
2.
by 2
2.
and if the division is equal to, so here you need to
Uh,
use equality sign. If
okay.
the remainder is 0, if you want to write this,
Z
you need to write two equal signs.
two equal signs
Yes,
equals 0.
0, then colon.
Then I should say colon. Oh, oops, sorry.
Okay. One more
Then
thing we need to check.
enter. Oh, okay.
We don't want the division, we need remainder.
Remainder.
Okay. Now for remainder, what operator do we use? Which operator? This is division operator you have used. For
yeah,
remainder, we use percent operator, percent.
percent one.
So change that to percent.
That's 0.
No, that division sign. Remove that division sign.
Okay.
Okay, and here put percent. Now this
Like that.
means, yeah, this means a
It will
remainder.
show the remainder.
Yeah, when the number is divided by 2, it will give you a remainder. If that
Okay.
remainder is equal to 0, then print.
Okay. I know. After this, I know.
Hmm,
Print brackets. Oops. What is it? Say. Not say. It is even.
correct.
Okay. So on the next line, I should write no. If I go, yeah. If I write else here, it is no problem, right?
Yes, you should write else right
Else,
there.
else, should I write number? It's equals to 0
No
like
need to
that.
write. You have already written it.
Okay.
Else block you
Else
need to just print.
print brackets double quotes.
You should print
Print.
on the new
Oh,
line.
1 minute. Oh, print on the new line
Yes.
like
Okay.
this.
Yes.
Okay. Print. It is
Or
odd. Yeah.
hmm,
So should I run this now?
okay.
Huh?
See
Probably
what
with
is
the
the error? Invalid syntax. For else,
after else.
after else in the Python you should write colon. This is the difference between other language and this one. After if you wrote colon,
Colons.
and here
Yeah.
also you should write colon.
Okay.
Okay, now it will work.
Okay. So I'm just going to write 50.
Hmm.
Okay. Huh? What is this? Find
Okay.
order even number could remove any number.
Not all arguments converted during string formatting. Now what it says, the number when you use
String.
input function that becomes a string,
String.
and we
Yeah.
need a number. So you need to convert it into number using int function.
Int function.
Okay, so on the first line,
Mm.
number is equal to that input function should be written inside the integer function.
Okay.
Yeah, here write int
Int. Then put
bracket.
it into a bracket. Oh.
Okay, and ending bracket at the end.
And then okay.
Yeah, now run it.
Okay. 50. It is even. So if I run it, oops. So if I run it once more, entering number, I'll write. Should I write 9?
We will write anything, any number.
Okay, it is odd. So it says it is odd. Okay.
Okay. So now if you want to write a program to check whether the number entered by
Is
user is
yeah
greater than 50 or not.
greater.
Yeah, if check whether that number is greater than 50 or not. Or you can
Uh,
write a one more program. For example, if a student gets more than 90 marks,
yeah.
then or percentage more than 90 percentage, he will get iPhone as a gift or
Hmm.
surprise. Otherwise, no gift.
So I should see if he gets 90 or not.
Yes, greater than 90.
Okay. So should I remove this
No,
or
let
do it
it
in?
be. Write it
Okay.
in the next cell.
Okay.
First,
Print. No, should I write? Should I write comment?
if you write, it's okay. Otherwise, you can directly write. No issue.
Okay. So I'll write print check if no
No, you need to write print uh, result.
print
Print in the bracket.
yeah
Okay, and in the bracket you can write will you get iPhone or not. So this will be the statement
Will
printed.
you get
iPhone
iPhone
or not.
not? Oops.
Okay, so this is the print statement. It will only just print this one.
Print
Now
this
you need to get
if or else
percentage of the student.
student. So um, percent equals what will its be percentage be?
First we need to take percentage from user. So here we need to write input function. Percent is
Okay.
equal to input. Now that was correct.
In oh, that was correct. Okay.
Double quote complete, bracket complete.
Okay.
So this
Okay.
will
Then
be,
I write.
then write
Okay.
you should take one variable where you can store
Okay.
the percentage.
Okay. Percent. Okay. Percentage
Is equal to
equal to 90.
input. No, don't write. You can ask
Yeah.
to student
Okay.
using input function.
Input.
Hmm.
Percentage equals input.
In bracket
Then, oh yeah. In bracket, I
and
should write.
enter your percentage in the
Okay.
double quotes.
Enter your percentage.
It should
Okay.
be in the double quotes because it
Oh,
is a message.
message. Okay.
Okay, run
Done.
this and
Okay.
check what happens.
Okay. Run this.
See,
Will
here
you get?
will you get iPhone or not? This will print and then enter your
Wait.
percentage. You can write your percentage
Oops.
there.
You just have to correct one thing.
Hmm.
Okay. Now run it.
Click in that cell and then run.
Huh? Doesn't run it. Huh?
Very
1 minute. Control enter. Huh? Why doesn't it enter?
okay.
Huh?
Sometimes it happens. You need to refresh the page.
1 minute. I'll just copy paste it.
Yeah, copy it.
Control C. Control V. Run. Eh?
Refresh this page. Refresh.
Changes you. On. Oh, it's okay. Cell. Run all. Huh?
Run
Still
only
not.
one cell.
Okay. So run.
Okay, can you see that square near
Yeah.
run button? Click on that. It will stop that kernel. Stop.
Yeah.
Okay, and one more time again. There you have one more button there to the left, to the right. Just click
Uh,
refresh. This one.
that.
Okay, restart.
Oh yeah. I have copy pasted it already.
Okay, now you can see that the not trusted button.
Yeah.
Click on it and make it trusted. Yeah, trust. All
Okay.
right. Now go to the third cell, last cell. Will you
Oh,
get your phone? Yeah, there. Uh, that program print will you get? Okay. Now run this only. Run this. See.
oh yeah.
Now here you get.
Enter your percent. Will you get iPhone or not?
Hmm. So you need to enter a percentage here. Maybe 99, 92, 82, any number.
I'll write 92.
Okay. Now this number, when you press enter key, this number will be stored into percentage.
Percentage.
Okay, so go to
Mm.
that percentage line
Okay.
and convert this into integer.
Integer.
Yeah, always when
Okay.
you're using number, you should put that integer function. Yes,
Like this, right?
yes. Now the
Okay.
new line.
A new line. Okay.
Here you
I
should
should
check.
write if.
Yes, if the
Okay.
percentage.
If. Okay. The
No, not the
per.
percentage.
Oh,
That you should directly use that variable name percentage.
okay. If percentage.
Is
Percentage
greater than
equals.
90.
Oh, okay. Great.
Greater than
Greater
90.
90.
Mhm.
Then
Mm,
I should print.
no, first put colon.
Oh yeah, colon.
Okay, on the new line you should print here.
Okay, print. Uh,
Congratulations, you will get an iPhone.
con- what's the spelling again? Ah, is this the right spelling? I don't really know.
Let it be. In the
Okay,
message you can write.
congratulations. You got an iPhone. Okay. Then I go to the next line. Else, else, print.
Print better luck next time.
Yeah, okay. Bet best.
B E double T. Remove that
Oh,
A.
double T better luck next time. Okay,
Hmm. Now run that cell one more time and change.
okay. Run. Enter your percentage. 92. Get an iPhone or not? Enter your
It says
sir.
congratulations, you got an iPhone.
So if I run this cell again and write 40, better you will you sir.
Hmm.
Like if I put space in between the lines that I'm writing, will there be space in the lines with the answer?
No.
Oh,
If you want to put space, then you can use /n.
oh,
See,
okay,
in the print, congratulations, you can put there /n.
yeah,
Yeah, there.
okay.
Yes, slash
Slash
n.
n
And even for the better luck next time.
slash n. Okay.
Okay.
Enter your percentage 40 itself. Okay, we'll go to enter your percentage like next. It
One more
still
question.
doesn't.
If you want to put on the first line, at the end you put at the end, not there at the starting, at the end, right there. Okay, now run that.
I'm not looking. Oh, 56. Will you get an iPhone or not? Enter your percentage. 56. Better look next. Okay, wait. Sir,
Hmm.
if I put a colon before, let's say after percentage, will there be colon after percentage under your
No, no.
percentage?
Why should you write it there?
No, like
Colon?
it doesn't like look good.
No, no. It's not look good. After the condition, you should put colon. Now this is the condition. Percentage
Yeah.
is greater than 90. This is a criteria.
Yeah.
You should always write colon after the criteria
No, like
because this
I'm
is the syntax
saying.
of
Oh,
Python.
okay.
You cannot write that colon there on the percentage after the percentage.
Wait. If I do this. Ah, now it's fixed.
Hmm.
Okay. My back.
Okay, so this is the if and else.
Hmm.
Now we can use if else if. There's one more way to use it, but that we'll
Okay.
see tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, sometimes we need to first some classes will go slow, then you will understand everything because sometimes we need to understand the syntaxes very well. Once you
Okay.
understand the syntaxes, then we can go fast.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. See you.
Okay. See you.